Hi, this is Leah from BitOgenius, and today I'm going to tell you about assets, how to create them, and how to create games with them. Assets are an amazing new feature available to all Pixicade creators that allows you to make full-color game elements. Assets can be used in any game type, and can be used as any type of object in your Pixicade game. Assets are saved in the My Creation screen so that you can use them over and over again in multiple games. To make an asset, start by drawing your asset with any color markers on plain white paper. Once your drawing is ready, click Create on the home screen. Then, click Create Asset. Line up the camera, make sure you have good lighting, and nothing else is in the picture except your drawing. If your picture looks good in the preview, click Next. Now you are in the photo editor. Here you can crop, flip, and rotate your photo. When you're done editing your photo, click Create to finish uploading your asset. It will take a few seconds for your asset to load. When your asset is done processing, you will be redirected to the My Assets tab in the My Creation screen. Tap the square preview of your asset to open the Edit Asset pop-up. Here, you can give your asset a name and select what color, meaning which function, avatar, hazard, etc., the asset becomes in your game. Selecting a color will not change the color of your drawing, but will cause your asset to act like that color does in your games. For example, if you make an asset a red object, when you add it to a Get the Goals game, it will become a hazard. You can make assets become black, blue, green, red, purple, and the all-new background objects. Background objects become part of the background of your game and will not be interactive in your game. Finally, select what type of bounding area your asset has. The bounding area represents the size and shape of your asset, which affects how the object interacts with your avatar and the world of your game. The three bounding area options are Box, Outline, and Complex. Selecting Box will make your asset act like it is a flat, rectangular shape, even if you don't draw it as a straight rectangle. Outline will roughly outline the shape of your asset, while Complex will be a much more precise outline. Add assets to your games by first drawing and taking a picture of your game. You can omit drawing any objects you plan on creating with assets. So if you plan on making your avatar an asset, you do not need to draw it in your game. Don't worry if you get an alert after your game has loaded that you must have an avatar and goals. Just click Edits and Power-Ups to continue. When the Power-Ups menu is open, click the Assets button in the top right corner. This will open the Assets tab. You can search for your assets by typing the name of it in the search bar, or you can filter them by color. Drag an asset from the left to add it to your game. While the asset is selected, you can drag from the corner to scale it, and drag the blue dot extending from the top to rotate it. If you want to stretch your asset while you scale it, uncheck Scale Proportionally. If you want to remove an asset from your game, click the trash icon. Once you are happy with your game, you can go back to the regular Power-Ups tab by clicking the Power-Up icon. All Power-Ups will work as normal on your assets. When you're done editing, you can click Play Game to finish. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@bitogenius.com, and we are happy to help you. Enjoy creating assets and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.